Ned wants to take the capital to Olo, not on Okowa's watch. Anyways, Ned is a one-term senator. He should go and marry his numerous wives. Someone from Anioma made this comment on Facebook. He made this comment under my post when I was talking about what Okowa said, when Okowa said that Anioma State should remain in the South. When Okowa was making that statement in that video, he said that Senator Ned Nwoko is trying to move the capital of Anioma State from Asaba to Olo. Okowa said that an illustrious daughter from Asaba, which is Miriam Babangida, fought very hard to make sure that Asaba becomes the capital of Delta State. That Ned Nwoko is trying to move the capital away from Asaba, all because he wants to actualize Anioma State. You now see the propaganda that Okowa is using to deceive his blind followers. Moving the capital of Anioma State to Olo was when Hope Uzodimma suggested that Anim State should merge with Anioma and become Anioma State. That was when he suggested that the capital should be moved from Asaba to Olo. We said no, that we don't want the capital of Anioma to leave Asaba. We even did a protest in Asaba. We did that protest to government house. And we told the chief of staff to the governor of Delta State that we Anioma people want Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast, and for the capital to remain in Asaba. That is what we said in that protest. Okowa see the protests. Okowa supporters, they saw that protest. So the Anioma State that we are agitating for is not for the capital to leave Asaba. Anioma State is not possible. We are not agitating for Anioma State. That idea of Anioma State is dead and buried. And people should remain in Imo State. They go nowhere. You can't be dividing the states that we already have in the southeast to create a state. Anioma State is not possible. That is not what Senator Ned Nwoko is fighting for. Senator Ned Nwoko is only fighting to actualize two bills. And those bills are Anioma State creation and boundary adjustments. That boundary adjustment is to bring back the indigenous Igbo people in Edo State back to Anioma land. That is the only bill that Senator Ned Nwoko is championing. But instead, Okowa carry microphone. They deceive all those him enslaved followers. All those him followers were blind. Una no go follow news, make una hear wetin dey happen. Instead of making research to know what is happening, you start to propagate, say Senator Ned Nwoko, they try to remove the capital of Anioma State from Asaba to Olo. The biggest weapon in this world is social media. Some people going to tell you atomic bomb. How many people atomic bomb wonky? With social media, you can turn people against people and millions will be killed. With social media, you can fight against the betterment of a people. Just like Okowa is using social media to turn Anioma people against Senator Ned Nwoko. Look at all the rubbish that Okowa said in that video. It shows say it makes sense. Okowa thought say Senator Ned Nwoko National Assembly, they deceive Anioma people by telling them about state creation. Okowa also said that Ned Nwoko is trying to remove the capital of Anioma State from Asaba to Olo. It's all lies. After Okowa talk all those things, they see the comment of some Ukwane people for TikTok, Facebook, and for Twitter. They talk say, we will never sit by and watch Ned Nwoko to remove the capital of Anioma State from Asaba to Olo. Where una dey where we dey agitate for this Anioma State? Are you people not following up? Now that narrative where Okowa talk, now those people they use, they spread them for social media. Una see us where we protest last time for Asaba, they talk say we want Anioma State to be created and for the capital to be in Asaba. Where una come they bring that narrative from? Okowa daughter, they for Delta State House of Assembly. They represent Ika people for there. Okowa wan run go back Senate. The only thing ignorant people know how to do is to be spreading propaganda and lies. Now ignorance keep many people for poverty. So Okwaneland is backward today. Now ignorance. Okwaneland don't know how to grab opportunity. Our political allies in Okwaneland, all of them Okowa children, Okowa boys, Okowa put all of them for that place. How you think say Okowa will be say you know me well for Okwane people? Go fit elect politician wey go do us well for Okwaneland. Okowa was accused of stealing 1.3 trillion naira. How you think say those politicians for Okwaneland not going to do like their oga? We get House of Reps member for Okwaneland for more than 20 years. Okwane not get lights. Up till today, few days ago, Okwane people go protest for Asaba. Government have they thought say they not get lights for more than 20 years. No be by protest they go take give una lights. Now by action. And that action is having someone in the National Assembly that will be championing the bill for Okwane people to have lights. And that person where we Okwane people get for National Assembly, where go give us lights, now Senator Ned Nwoko. And that's because that light will be achieved through Anioma State creation. Some Okwane people go tell you say they want light, say they don't want states. Now light we go chop for Okwaneland. Don't you need job? Don't you need universities? Don't you need good healthcare centers? The biggest thing that your government can do for you is number 1, good healthcare centers. Number 2, good water supply. And number 3, steady lights. If you don't get these 3 things, your own don't finish. The light Okwane not get. The healthcare center Okwane not get. No federal or state hospital dey Okwaneland. Okowa na medical doctor. He was a senator for 4 years. Yet, he not fit bring any good hospital come Okwaneland. Person wey be say during him time for government na failure him be. Now we go come prove to una say na better person him be. As I dey tell Okwane people what they say now, some of the things say I just dey here they make noise. Person they speak up for una, they tell una say support Anioma State, make better thing enter Okwaneland. Una say no, say una wan remain for South. Now the South we Okwane people dey for more than 20 years we not get lights. Now South we dey we not get federal or state hospital. Now South we dey no university. Urobo people where we get resources pass, then they grow pass us, then they develop pass us. Isokoland gets state university for Zoro. Urobo gets for Abraka. Are those things in Okwaneland? No. All these things supposed to the ginger Okwane youths to support Anioma State creation. Okowa know say the only thing we go comot him hand from Okwaneland, the only thing we go wake Okwane people up, the only thing we go grow Okwaneland na Anioma State. Okowa know this thing. That is why he is coming to put an end to Anioma State agitation and creation. Now why he want remove Senator Ned Nwoko from Senate? So many Okwane people, they know they understand all these things. Okowa not care about we Okwane people. He not care about anybody. He is only trying to protect his godfatherism status in Anioma land. Okowa why in community not get resources, they control we Okwane people will get resources. Is it not shameful? South will be saying and different people they inside. People that don't have the same culture and tradition, people that don't speak the same language. Now full South. Okwane not they develop because they are where they are not supposed to be, which is the South. If Okwane join Southeast, we go grow, we go develop. Better thing go they enter Okwane land. Okwane people go wise. Now ignorance keep Okwane for Okwane day so. We not be Igbo people. We not be Igbo people. But then na Chukwemeke, Chukunalo, Ngozi. You say not be Igbo person, you be Bini person. Now we Okwane people Oshimri and your Chandeka, now in they agitate say we know one day for Midwestern region again. Say Bini people they marginalize us, say that they intimidate us, say that they oppress us, say we won't get our own states. Now so they can create Delta State and Edo State. Now join your Igbo brothers in the Southeast you still dey talk say you not be Igbo person o, say you be Benin person. If you be Benin person, why you no dey for Bende State? Why you no dey clamor say una wan go back to Bende State? Shey na Western region we dey before. Why are you people not agitating for us to go back to Western region? Why are you not clamoring for us to go back to Midwestern region? The same South where you know they benefit from. Now you they defend Okowa. You go see so many Okwane youths. They comment section, they talk rubbish. People ever say, if you go some Okwane communities, they get like 4 crude oil wells. Some 1, some 2, some 3, some 5. Yet for that community, no good thing they inside. Suffering too much for there. Yet, una we not get anything for Anioma, they raise shoulder. You are proud of nothing. You are proud of being ignorant. You are proud of being a slave to Okowa. You are proud that Okwane land is a failure. Why some Okwane people they feel say we are okay in Okwane land is because they're not the travel. Travel around Southeast, come Okwane land, make you know say you they suffer for Okwane land. My teaching is based on Okwane land because Okwane people, they really need this message. If to say na Okwane person, they campaign for Senate 2027, we will call the time that our Okwane brother say, lay low for Senator Ned Nwoko to give us Anioma State. If you give us Anioma State, then you will be the senator representing we Okwane people in Anioma State, because Anioma State will give we Okwane people 1 senator, Ika 1, Enwane, which is Oshimili and Anyocha 1. But Okowa no want to make we get Anioma State where go give us 3 senators. He won't come on Senator Ned Nwoko so that he go kill the dream for Anioma State creation and be the only senator representing Delta North. You know, go on come on from that senator seat. He go there. They decide for us. Imagine fighting the creation of 3 senators just to be 1 senator. Okwane youth, make una wake up. To those Okwane people that feel that I'm from the Southeast, I am from Umuchime in Ogume. Now Ogume person I be. I'm from Okauku family in Umuchime. Now our family get to Umuchime. Now we be the eldest for Umuchime. Now we be first son for Umuchime Ogume. My papa no Ogume, my mama no sister. So I'm a full-blooded Okwane person. Okwane people, stop talking about geopolitical zoning. Geopolitical zoning should not be a barrier for Anioma State creation. If Anioma State joins Southeast, we still remain Okwane people. We no go join Southeast make it be say we no go identify as Okwane people again. You can't mention Anioma State without mentioning Okwane. You can't mention Anioma State without mentioning Neka, Oshimili, and Anyocha. Whether you like it or not, we Okwane people are Igbo people. Delta State here where we did, na Igbo that they call us. For the traditional rulers and chiefs law of Delta State, we Okwane people are gazetted as Igbo people. Same with Ika, Oshimili, and Anyocha people. Na Igbo that they call we Anioma people. And that is because our language, culture, and tradition is Igbo. Our way of life is Igbo. Some Anioma people will be telling you that the reason why they don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast is because of IPOB, is because of Biafra agitation. Have you ever heard that IPOB is killing people in Bayelsa State? No. Have you ever heard that IPOB is killing people in Akwa Ibom State? Have you ever heard that IPOB is killing people in Cross River State? Have you ever heard such a thing in River State? In Edo State? In Delta State? In Benue State? In Kogi State? No. If to say IPOB is a terrorist organization, United Nations and America for don gazette IPOB as a terrorist group. But they don't gazette them because IPOB is not a terrorist organization. If to say Nigeria government they treat Igbo well, nobody would agitate for Biafra. But the country where we say the hatred on Igbo is too much. Igbo are dying every day. Marginalization is too much. Oppression is too much against Igbo. That is the reason why Igbo are agitating for Biafra. Igbo they agitate for Biafra. Not be an avenue for we Anioma people not to get Anioma State and join our brothers in the Southeast. Whether we Anioma people like it or not, the federal government of Nigeria sees every Igbo person as IPOB. What is the meaning of IPOB? IPOB means Indigenous People of Biafra. Whether you like it or not, every Igbo person in Nigeria is seen as a Biafran. This one a simple fact that they give you. The indigenous Igbos in Delta State are seen as Biafra. And they tell you say whether you like it or not, that is what other tribes and ethnic nationalities in Nigeria are seeing we Anioma people as. And that is why during the Biafra war, Anioma people were killed because they are seen as Biafra. Why Asaba massacre happened? Because their language is Igbo language. Why Ishiago massacre happened? Because their language is Igbo language. Where were Ika people, Ukwane people, Oshimiri, and Anacha people killed during the Biafra war is because their language is Igbo language. During the Biafra war, Urobo people tell Nigeria Army say, all these Ukwane people where they sit down to southeast, all of them na Igbo people. And because of that, the Nigerian Army started killing Ukwane people. Why were they killing Ukwane people? Because if your language is Igbo, you are seen as Biafra. This is a fact. I just they tell on a fact. So whether we are Anioma people there for South, they still see us as Biafra. If Ukwane person come out now, they contest for presidency. Other tribes for Nigeria go they call them IPOB, they go they call them Biafra. As P2B there now, some people are calling him IPOB, some people are calling him Biafra. So stop using all those things as an excuse not to get Anioma State. No amount of excuse is enough for we Anioma people not to get Anioma State and join our brothers in the southeast. Any excuse a person they bring, they talk say this is why we should not join the southeast. That excuse is just a distraction. Anioma State is so important to we Ukwane people. It's important to Oshimiri and not the Ika people. Now Okowa just they manipulate people to stand against Anioma State creation and the southeast zoning. If Okowa think say it too no, go for a debate with Senator Ned Nwoko. As Anioma politics dey now, Ned Nwoko is bigger than Okowa. Okowa is just a finished man that is trying to use the slave empire that he have built to rise. Who are those slave empires? They are those Ukwane people that are against the creation of Anioma State. They are those Ika people, Oshimi and Anacha people that are against the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning. If the demand say you want to make Anioma State they created and join our brothers in the southeast, then you want to be better thing reach you. You want to be better thing enter Anioma land. Anything that those people that don't want Anioma State to join the southeast from Anioma are doing, they are only trying to please Okowa. Politics is a game of interest, not a game of love. Because of say you love Okowa, you know what make we get Anioma State join southeast. Anioma people wake up. The creation of Anioma State is not saying that the capital will leave Asaba. Anioma State will be created and the capital of Anioma State will be in Asaba. Nobody is trying to remove the capital of Anioma State from Asaba. A word is enough for the wise. Ishiagwale.